In this video, I'm gonna show you the best place to get sounds and samples for your music production journey. So the company BPM Supreme has just made BPM Create. And BPM Create is an online sample library that has over 200,000 royalty-free sounds, which include samples, loops, packs, effects, one-shots, etc. So if you're a producer, DJ, or artist looking to find that perfect sample for your track, BPM Create has you covered. And if you want to get access to all of those sounds, use coupon code CarloBPM to get 50% off their services. Anyway, this video will be divided into two sections. First, I'll show you how to navigate through their site, and second, I'll show you how to download their sounds, samples, and packs. To begin, open up your web browser and enter bpmsupreme.com. If you already have a BPM Supreme ID, simply log in and then select the BPM Create library on the following page. If you don't already have a BPM Supreme ID, no worries. You can easily sign up for a free one. Just follow the steps provided. Now, if you need some assistance on signing up, check out my tutorial video over here. Anyways, upon logging in, we are welcomed with the BPM Create homepage. This is where you can find a wide variety of sound packs organized by release date, trends, genres, and labels. The next page along the menu of BPM Create is the new pack section, which simply provides all of the latest sounds that BPM Create has to offer so far. And these packs are consistently being updated, so there are always fresh picks to choose from. Following the new packs tab, we have the genres tab, showcasing genres from global genres, bass, EDM, house, hip-hop, and a whole lot more. If you select a genre, it will direct you to that specific genre's page with a bunch of choices to choose from. Let's click the progressive house genre for example. Here, BPM Create will provide you with a wide variety of sound packs and individual sounds and loops. By using these tag features, you can narrow down the selection according to your liking. For example, let's try looking for a wet lead in the progressive house genre. You can see here that there are 488 matching sounds that fit that criteria. Further filter options are made possible with these drop-down selections over here. Now, you can organize the selections by release date, loop/one-shots, instruments, key, genre, and BPM. Another easy way to browse through their selections is by exploring the labels, instruments, MIDI, trends, and free sounds menu. Anyway, let's now move on to downloading. So let's head over to the instrument section of BPM Create and look for a clap. So all I need to do is select clap and a list of various choices will appear in seconds. To preview, you can hit the play button right over here. And to download this sample, press the downloads arrow over here. On the left of the download button, we have a heart icon. Selecting this button will save the sound to my favorites folder, which I can easily access on the left-hand section of the screen. On the left of the heart button, we have a chain-looking icon. Essentially, clicking this button will look for sounds similar to the sample. Now, if you don't want to download individual sounds and samples, you might want to get more theme sounds that are packaged in sample packs. And you can think of these packs as curated collections of sounds that fit certain genres, themes, and moods. So let's go on ahead and download this pack. And as you can see, there are many theme samples and sounds included in this package. So to download this pack and all of its sounds, simply press the download button right over here. Now keep in mind that BPM Supreme The Record Pool and BPM Create are two completely different services and libraries, which means that BPM Create requires a fee which is separate from BPM Supreme The DJ Record Pool. And how BPM Create charges people are through their membership plans, which are based off credits. So most samples average about 1 to 3 credits. So every time you download a sample, a credit amount pertaining to the amount listed on the track is deducted from your account. By selecting the red credits button on the top right here, you have the ability to view the plans that best suit your preference. And there are many options to choose from that will fill your credits up. You can offer monthly fees or one-time payment fees, so choose whichever one suits your fancy. And that's it. Don't forget to use coupon code CarloBPM to get 50% off BPM Create's regular rates. And with that said, I'll see you all in the next one.